How to buy Percy Verence token. This token it came under the symbol of Percy, as you can see. So if you go to Twitter and you see this tweet of Elon Musk, he said that I've started a new character called Percy Verence, as you can see. So this token is promoted by the Elon Musk. As you can see, this tweet in January 4 in 2025, as you can see. So this token it's available on the screener. So if you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now to be able to buy this token, but make sure and just keep in mind that the liquidity here are locked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. And this token it's increased by 7 million% in the last 24 hours. So if you want to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token came under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet. After that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. And as you can see, this is our token, Percy Verence. Now after that, click on it. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. Now select the provider from here, for example, Jupiter, and read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face after that any issue, just go back to this page, switch the flip patch from here, or custom it. And after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Percy token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.